Today I'm super excited to be checking out this 2016 Hellcat with about 1,050 horsepower to the crank.
This is a 2016 Dodge Challenger Hellcat 6-speed manual. Currently it's just a full bolt-on, right around 900 to the wheels.
So your bolt-ons, can you go over what exactly those are?
JLT intake, JLT catch can, MFR1 exhaust mod, mid-muffler delete, Barton short throw shifter, 180-degree thermostat, valve cover breather, 2.60 grip tech pulley, MMM built pulley tensioner, gates, green belt, brisk racing plugs, 1300 injectors, catless mid pipes, HHP dual fuel pump, and it's tuned on E85.
Sheesh, that's quite a list. Okay.
So this is one of 15 for 2016 Jazz Blue. What makes it a little bit more rare is it comes with the dual carbon stripes as well as brass monkey rims straight from the factory. Fortunately, those rims aren't on there because they're a little too narrow, but
okay.
Between the color, 6-speed manual, and the dual carbon stripes with the rims, they only made one of 15 that year.
Wow, okay. And it does not have the brass monkey wheels. What wheels are you running now?
Those are custom Ford Stars 20x9 in the front and 18x10 in the rear.
Okay. As far as times for pulls, do you know, like a 60-130 and times like that?
60 to 130s or low 6s right now.
What is this car stock compared to what it is now?
Stock is 707 horsepower. That's at the crank. Stock, it was right around 650. The first time I tuned it after being pulled stock, it was 680-ish with the Diablo Sport can tune and intake. From there, I just kind of dived in and I did pretty much almost every single mod that you can think of, and that pulled the 900.
Wow. Okay. So coming from the owner, what is your favorite thing about this car? If you had to pick one thing.
When it comes to performance, I love the manual. When it comes to everything else, I love the comfort and the sound.
Absolutely. If you had to pick one thing that's your least favorite, what would that be?
How heavy it is.
How heavy it is?
Yeah.
How much does it weigh?
I think 4,400, 4,375, somewhere around there.
Okay. It's a boat, like everybody says.
Yeah.
But it's a fast boat.
I would say it's quick. I wouldn't say it's like crazy fast, but it can compete with some, but not a lot.
Yeah. But it's fun. Anything with 1,000 horsepower is fun. Shall we take it on a spin?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right. That's insane. I'm pretty excited. This will be my first time in a Hellcat, so. What's your favorite gear to do a pull in?
Second.
Second gear.
Second and third.
Oh, it's got some nice crackles too. What is the exhaust?
Catless mids, mid muffler delete, and then all that's left is the rear mufflers.
Okay. Makes sense why it's loud. That is such a nice sound. Oh my gosh. Were you still in first for that?
Second.
Oh yeah, it was second. Just instantly sucks you back in your seat.
Yeah. So first gear goes right around 60. Second gear is like 90, 92. And then third is like 128.
Holy
and
crap.
Then fourth is like 145, 150. So
that's crazy. sound is out of this world too.
We were just spinning along.
Yeah, I felt it fishtail a little bit. Oh my goodness. Thrill. Feels like a roller coaster. You probably burn through fuel pretty quick doing that.
Yeah. I only get 130 to 150 to a tank.
Oh yeah. On like a 16 gallon tank, 18 gallon tank? 16 gallons?
I think it's 16.
Yeah, that's not very much.
Yeah.
It's quick. I mean, before you know it, 60 to, yeah, 130 is, it's quick.
If I had
awesome.
to get another car, it would probably be an RS3 or a Z01 1LE.
Oh yeah.
Maybe a Viper. I like the raw feeling of it all.
It is.
RS3 is a little dampened.
Yeah, the RS3 is fun. I just did a video on one. That's a crazy car. And cornering, it's like nothing else. You can just take corners like nobody.
But it's half the size of this car.
Yeah. Yep. And all-wheel drive.
This doesn't make you feel like you're in a race car.
Right.
You know, this is like grandma's Lincoln.
Yes.
You know,
that's accurate. Well, thank you. I appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem.
It was a lot of fun. I want to give a huge thank you to the owner of this car. Go give him a follow on Instagram at StephenWhite_SRT. If you're new to my channel and you're liking this content, I will be posting a brand new video every single week. So be sure to like this video and subscribe, and I will see you next time.